Alright guys, we are about to rip this whole side off, the front end off and the back end off, and replace all the panels due to hail damage. And I'm going to do a full frame review of what I reckon this thing is built like, and show you guys the progress of us rebuilding it. So now check out the hail damage on the side of this van. So come down, it might be difficult to see on camera, but you might pick up a little bit of it. So now this van's been absolutely peppered. I think this was from a hailstorm we had a couple of years ago. You can see at the top here, it has just been absolutely smashed to bits. Down the bottom here, hatch doors all been broken, and there's a few little other bits and pieces that are broken. So now this is a private repair. This is not insurance. The customer is paying for it out of his own pocket. So he wants us to fix this whole side, the front end, and the top roll at the back, a few hatches, things like that as well, and get it back to a respectable looking Caravan. Now we're going to rip the side off this, and I'm going to show you guys what the frame looks like and how I think the frame's been built, and we'll go from there. Sweet. Alright guys, so we're cladding the side of this Caravan at the moment, and somebody in one of my videos last night or the other night asked if we could show you how we clad this side of the Caravan. Now obviously it's very difficult for me to clad the van and show you guys the whole process because it is quite a long process. And but I thought I'd show you a couple of small stages, and then we'll show you the van going together as well. So now look, we've done the top two panels here, and we are getting down to the lower sections now where they're broken up. Now rather than using one big long sheet, we like to cut our sheets up smaller so then we can try and get more sheet out of it. So now we silicon to the frame. So we've put our silicon on the frame. That's what a lot of manufacturers do as well. And then we'll go and insert our next sheet, which is a Pittsburgh sheet, which inserts into the bottom of this panel. And then we can staple the next row so we can work our way down. Now I'm going to show you that, try to show you that and film it and everything. So there we go. Look, we're halfway through cladding this thing, and Josh is stapling it, being very noisy. But look, we're getting there. Front's going to be going on after this as well, so we're going to get the rest of the panels on, front end on, back roll on, and start getting some fixings on this thing. So, all right, guys. Now I know I missed a heap of stages of the job on this one, but we got a little bit carried away. We've got heaps of jobs in the workshop at the moment, and the guys in the shop here were just trying to get it done. So we cladded it. We went and sealed all of the fixings on windows. The new back panel down there as well, all the new molds, and you can see here as well, we've also done the front sections. So front top roll, front panels, back roll as well, a couple of new back hatches. It's come together really good. We ran into no headaches with this job. It was actually really smooth, which is nice for once. We're waiting on the stickers to come. The sticker guys are in the process of making them up or printing them at the moment. They'll all get stickered, head out the front, get a full detail, a wash, and I think she'll be good as new. It's looking pretty good. There's a little hatch door down the back here which had some hail damage on the top where it smashed the plastic. So I'm waiting on a new one to come for those, and we'll fit that up. But look, apart from that, it's come together really, really nicely. I'll show you the finished result. All right, guys, we have just finished up on this Colorado Caravan, and we've done a full side replacement. We've done a top roll replacement, front panels, and a back roll replacement. Now this Caravan, this is a private job, so it's not through insurance, and the customer has wanted us to fix all the hail damage on his Caravan. So I might have a video, I can't even remember what I filmed on this one, but I might have a start video on this as well, and showing all the damage that was on there originally. So we've ripped the whole side off, we've ripped that whole front top roll off, all the front panels and a back roll as well, and fixed it all up nicely. You'll see on the front here, you may be able to see our silicone work on the top there. It's always neat and on point. I can't see it, so I'm just assuming it is. It wouldn't be going home if it wasn't. So, well, Josh just said I did it, so it's good. So there you go. We're doing a full sign off on this tomorrow, which means that we'll go through all of the paperwork, sign everything off, every single fixing and bits and pieces get checked over, and yeah, should be pretty sweet. But I will show you on the side here. Obviously, we've replaced all these panels. See you, man. Have a good night. We've replaced all these panels. We have all of our silicone work. We've made sure that it's all perfectly nice and straight and clean and good. So cool. Same on the mold here as well. Everything's nice and neat. Now we make sure that all of our silicone is dead flush. No residue sticks out, nothing's overhanging. That way when anyone goes through a dust storm or dirt roads or anything, we're not going to have silicone residue showing dust all over the Caravan looking messy. So that's the last thing we want. So it's got all new stickers on there. Fridge vents are resealed. Are replaced. Sorry, I'm not starting again because this is like the 18th take of this video. That's why I was like just goodbye to my friend who works here. New fridge vents, new back hatch. That one was all hit with hail as well. We did take this off, but we didn't replace it. We just took it off in one piece and reinstalled. And the top roll at the back there as well. Now, we put a couple of new guide lights on there. But the top roll, because we did that and there was a Pittsburgh there, we did replace it with a flat mold. And that's because we had to cut the Pittsburgh off. So, look, I think overall, the whole van's come up really, really good. I'm super happy with it. It's had its wash today. So we just brought it back in, after having its wash. It'll have its final checks all tomorrow morning, and we'll call up the customer and send this one home.